Hello everyone, this is NS Alters, and today I'll be showing you how I painted this Ruric Thar, the Unbowed border extension. Starting off with some neutral colors around the edge, and some very vague color matching. So I like to start on the right side usually, just because I'm right-handed. And I found that the smoke in this area was a little difficult to get quite right at the start, so you'll see me going over it multiple times as I try to, layer in lots of different colors using my wet palette very liberally to just try to get the details to the right levels. Mixing in a lot of browns, grays, whites, pinks, even a little bit of orange. You'll also notice that with these darker sections down here where his little cloth goes off the side of the card, I'm painting in the background first, and then I'll be painting the cloth over top later. Here I'm taking the ruins from the background and just extending them over the edge of the card. And again, just dragging out those colors to fill in the spaces over the edges of the frame. On modern bordered cards, there's not a lot of space above the name of the card to do a lot of details. Now in this one, there's obviously an arch that I can add in, but for right behind the arch, there wasn't a lot of room there, but it also doesn't look good just as a solid color, so I took the pattern that was directly below the name, and I sort of just stretched that to above the name. This gives continuity to the art piece, while also adding something interesting to look at. And the axe for Ruric Thar was actually a lot of fun. If you look at the axe, it's not really symmetrical. It also kind of looks like it's hammered out of like scrap metal. So I was able to paint it sort of doing whatever pattern I wanted, which made that part really fun to do. So coming up, you'll see me using a very watered down orange paint. Essentially what I'm doing there is a technique called glazing. You can water down the color so much and then just lightly put it over top of your other colors. This can help bring a cohesion of color to a general area. So this kind of adds some orange to the edges around and makes multiple things sort of blend together and have a same feeling and tone to them. Then we're just painting out the bottom now that the main part of the art is done. Adding in some details in the top right, just since I felt it was a little empty. And adding some texture and variants of colors to the bottom so that it's not just a boring black mess. The last step, as always, is to clean up those edges. Make sure that the parts that you want to show through look really nice and crisp along those edges. Really gives it a finished professional feel. Sign my initials, and we're done. And there it is, one Ruric Thar ready for the cube. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see me alter a specific card, just leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.